All right, trash bash. I found this broken ass piece of crap here. I only got literally a few minutes. Nice. That flew about 10 feet. I don't know if you guys can see where it's landing. Let's try not to hit the phone today. Nice. Whoa. I don't know at what point you guys got knocked over. I don't care. No editing. Whoa. Wow. I guess it's just too windy to film today. I bet every single one of those freaking jumps were not in frame. Nice. Kind of a hard takeoff because it's not really perfectly steep angled the way it should be. Oh, hard sideways landing. She takes it. Apparently there's a train. Wow. I'm like right next to the tracks. I don't know if you guys can see this. He's cruising. I'm sure you can totally hear what I'm saying. And they're completely interested in it. So I'll continue to talk for no reason. Tell you about my stupid truck that no one cares about except for me. And that's how we're gonna end this shit.